Objectives of the early nationalists. The early nationalists wanted proper participation of the Indians in the government in the near future and a gradual move towards self-government in the distant future. So what was the objective of the early nationalists? Their main objective was that with the proper participation of the Indians in the government, that means in the British government, they can finally once they will be included in the British government, slowly and gradually after becoming a part of the British government, they can be self-government in the distant future. They think that with the help of British we can rule themselves, but it was not so. Next, methods. The moderates adopted peaceful and constitutional method. So the moderates adopted the peaceful method, that by using the peaceful method we can finally come under the British rule, and slowly and gradually we can overcome or overthrow the British from India. They presented their grievance to the government and waited patiently for the government to pass law to remove those grievances. So the moderates, they have said to the British government about their problems, their situation, and they waited patiently so that British government will make some rules and regulations so that their problem can be solved. They believed that the government would gradually give in to their demands. So what did the moderates thought? That slowly and gradually they have to accept the demands of the moderates. They promoted unity, spread political awareness among the people, and built up a strong public opinion through meetings, lectures, and the press. So they promoted unity among themselves, spread political awareness about among the people, what are their objectives and methods, and build up a strong public opinion. How? By conducting different types of meeting, lectures, and with the help of press, that means media. They also sent delegation to England to persuade the British government to introduce necessary reforms. So they even sent a letter to England so that they can tell to the British government to introduce different types of reforms or measures so that the moderates' demand can be accepted.